Afternoon, YouTubers. What's up? I've got a knife here. Come out of a lot I bought off eBay. 2-inch blade, 3-inch handle. It's kind of a neat little knife, though. It's cut out for your hand. No markings except that. I've been looking at that trying to figure out what it is, and I don't know. Kind of odd. Does have a little edge on it, though. Tell you what, some of them people come into airports with some weird knives. Anyway, I thought I'd show it to you today. Have a good day. Stay safe. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.